Hi readers! It's time to get started with a new cycle of learning. Today we will be decoding. We'll focus on syllables.
Materials!
For today, you will need to grab paper and a pencil. Let's go! Here are today's 3 learning targets. I can segment and blend CVC words with the sounds a, n, a, z, f, l, t, I, and p. I can write the letters that match the sounds. And I can identify the vowel sounds in a word to help me determine how many syllables are in the word.
Transition song.
Sit down and come together, together, together. Sit down and come together, together right now. It's time to read some sounds and blend them together. Let's listen to the sounds now and blend them to make a word.
Word work.
Now, we will make a word using sounds that we know. Let's take a look at this first word. The sounds in this word are n, a, t, not. Nice work. Now, it's your turn. N, a, t, not. Let's look at another word. This next word has 4 sounds. Listen closely while I tap them out, and then you can blend them to make the word. F, l, a, t. What word is that? Flat. Nicely done. The vowels in each of those words we just tapped out are short vowel sounds, and that's because those words have closed syllables. Closed syllables always have short vowel sounds.
Transition song.
Now it's time to match these sounds to their letters and write them. It's time to match these sounds to their letters. Let's go.
Writing.
Now, you will write the letters that match the sounds you hear. Get your paper and your pencil ready. The first word is zip. Zip is a closed syllable word because the vowel I is surrounded by consonants. Look, the I is followed by that letter P. Let's tap out the sounds in this word together. Z, I, p. Zip. Nice job. Now, let's write this word on your piece of paper. Start with the letter Z. Across, slant in, and across on the bottom line. And then a lowercase I. The letter I here says I. It's a short vowel sound because zip is a closed syllable word. And finally, you can write the lowercase p. Starting at the middle line, pull down, jump up, and around. Let's tap out the word zip one more time together. Z, I, p, zip. Excellent work.
Word work.
Now, it's time to be a syllable sleuth. We are going to look for clues to help us figure out how to break up longer words into parts so we can decode them. Take a look at this first word. Do you know what it is? We can figure it out by looking closely at the clues. Let's start by looking for vowels. How many vowels do you see? That's right, there are 2. A and I. What kind of sounds do these vowels make? Long or short? That's right, they are both short vowel sounds. Look, the A is closed in by the B, and the I is closed in by the T. The next clue we can look for is how many parts are in the word. Knowing how many vowels are in the word will help us to figure this out, because every syllable has to have a vowel in it. We have 2 vowels, so we should have 2 parts. Do you see 2 parts in this word? Here they are. These parts are called syllables. When we find the vowels, we can divide the word into syllables by splitting it between the consonants that surround each vowel. It's easy to read a long word once we break it into its syllables, because we can then decode each syllable at a time. Let's try it with this word. The first part is ab, rab, and the second part is it, bit. We put that together and we get rabbit.
Closing reflection.
It's a good idea to reflect each day on what we've been working on. Today we looked closely at finding the syllables in a closed syllable word. How does noticing parts of words help you to become a stronger reader? You did an amazing job being a syllable sleuth today. This cycle, we will continue figuring out how to find the syllables in longer words. This will help us to decode longer and longer words. I look forward to practicing more with you during our next lesson.